Hello everyone. Today, we will guide you through the process of wiring up your Eurofase heating heater. Safety first. Remember to hire a certified professional electrician for installation. Start by removing the 4 ground screws using a screwdriver. Next, attach the wire to the cover. Make sure it's securely fastened. Connect the ground wire to the cover. Use an adjustable wrench to ensure a secure connection. Remember the high-low switch with the red wire. Use wire nuts to connect both red wires to the leads of the quartz heater. For the black wires, connect one set together and the other set together. Lastly, close it all up. Put the 4 screws back in place securely. Thank you for watching. Again, please make sure that this process is done by a certified electrician and up to your local code. Please scan the QR code to check our instructions and installation manual. For more information, visit eurofaseheating.com.